The EBS brake fluid service system is designed to extract, flush, refill, and completely bleed automotive hydraulic brake systems in one comprehensive 10-minute process using one technician. To perform the service, place the vehicle to be serviced on a hydraulic lift. Open the hood and remove the master cylinder reservoir cap and any removable screen in the reservoir. The first step in performing the service is to evacuate the old brake fluid in the master cylinder reservoir. Press the F1 button and using the vacuum gun, remove as much of the old brake fluid as possible. When completed, press the stop button and return the vacuum line to the equipment. To insert the bottle in the equipment, determine the appropriate adapter to attach to the master cylinder reservoir. There are basically two types of adapters, those that screw or twist onto the reservoir and those that are held down by an adjustable chain. Attach the selected adapter to the reservoir and attach the fill line from the equipment using the Quick Connect coupler. Fill the reservoir by pressing the F2 master cylinder fill button. Check for fluid flow and leaks. The patented adapter releases any air in the reservoir during the service. Once full, press the stop button. Now you can raise the vehicle. Once the car is raised, go to each wheel, loosen the bleeder, and attach the vacuum lines to each bleeder. Open each bleeder approximately 1/4 turn. Once all 4 wheels are connected, go to the equipment and start the flush process by pressing the F3 fluid exchange button. The equipment will start putting new fluid into the reservoir under 10 to 16 pounds of pressure. At the same time, vacuum will be applied to all 4 bleeders on the vehicle simultaneously. This combination of surging pressure and vacuum provides a thorough flow of new brake fluid through the entire hydraulic system, including the ABS system. New brake fluid passes through the entire system, pushing old contaminated brake fluid out of the bleeder lines. All this old brake fluid is contained in the 18-gallon internal waste tank in the equipment. In approximately 1 to 2 minutes, the front bleeder lines will be clear. Once clear, these bleeder valves can be closed. Leave the lines connected so as not to lose vacuum through loose lines. Once the rear lines show clear, they can be closed. The actual flushing process takes approximately 4 to 5 minutes to complete. During that time, approximately 2 quarts of fluid will be passed through the system, flushing and refilling and bleeding the system. Additional bleeding of the hydraulic system is not necessary after the service has been complete. Once all bleeders have been closed, return the bleeders to the equipment. Lower the vehicle and remove the fill line from the adapter. Remove the main tool from the adapter and using the F1 master cylinder cleanout function, vacuum any excess new fluid to the appropriate level in the master cylinder reservoir. Remove the adapter, reinsert the protective screen, and then return the cap to the top of the reservoir. The EBS brake fluid service is now complete.